3, 2, 1. Inside of us on the east side here. Inside of us on the east side here. Okay, you mess. Come back. Actually, I mess. Come back. Come back and pop your hood. Pop your hood. And walk east. Come east. Walk northeast. Come northeast. Oh, actually, yeah. Come northeast. Actually, we're gonna kite. Birdman, when are you gonna be here? Come northeast.
I'm halfway to the map.
Guys, video? Do you have no video?
Words, you still have stacks? Keep walking northeast.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got. Oh no, I just lost in the fight. I'm getting out. I'm good.
Keep walking northeast. Yeah, we're kiting. We're gonna kite for Birdman. We're gonna kite for Birdman here. Okay, give me heals up on.
I
Look up
stopped
us,
them.
okay? Walk up. Listen, get ready to hit the front line, okay? Get ready. Southeast wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast wall now. Wipe southeast wall now. Wipe it out. Good. You killed one. Come back northeast. Actually, you didn't tell any. Come northeast and pop your hood and walk northeast. North here. Walk straight north here. You need to be faster on the perma. Just keep.
You're on perma. What are you talking
Okay,
about?
Walk north. Birdman, play beam for me. Spread. They have engaged soon. They're gonna engage soon. Spread. Defenses. Defense on my south. Walk in. Get ready. Hit southwest, south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on my perma. Oh my god, I got fucking interrupted.
Hit it.
Go northeast. Come northeast, okay? Come northeast. Give me peel and come northeast. Come northeast.
I'm dismounting.
So you guys
Birdman,
silence?
are you on? Okay, come northeast. Come through.
We might need to heal. Peel back.
Yeah, heals are fun. Listen, we're gonna counter soon, okay? Get ready. Heals are fun. Defenses. Okay, southwest front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest in front line now. Wipe it now. It's huge. It's all of them. Okay, come east. Come southeast. Give me a call and come south. Pop your hood.
Wait, I have no heals. Wait.
Okay, actually, get rid of the turn on the choke again, okay? Get rid of the turn. Where's your stacks?
Yeah, I have sacks.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Wait, what?
I'm good.
Yo, stop walking through. Come back. They're gonna turn on you. Careful.
I stopped them.
Get ready, hit the front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Delete the front line now. I keep hitting. Okay, come back. You gotta Q and W the people inside.
Alright.
Come back and pop your hood. Get ready to kill this heavy mason side. He has somewhat of a
Yo,
brain and
Jig,
silence.
call out
Walk
names. Say
Come through.
names.
Oh yeah,
Don't say
you're right, I gotta
direction.
mark.
Yeah.
Can you mark them or?
Yeah, I'm gonna mark. Let's go. Okay, just be ready. We're gonna absorb this.
They're gonna engage.
I know. Just spread.
Watch Rex.
Walk up and spread. Ready, hit the front in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the heavy mace. Good. Spread now. Spread. Okay, give me a call northeast. Gardy, defenses. Good. Pop your hood. Gardy to look deep on them this time. Okay, Gardy to look deep on them. Okay, actually, Gardy to kill this carving. You see the carving mark? Gardy to kill the carving. Okay. Gardy, hit the carving southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, just hit inside of us now. Northeast. Hit inside of us northeast. Good. Spread now. Spread. Give me a call. Right the call. Go northeast. Spread. Peel. Give me peel. Spread. Don't clump like that. Heals on south side.
Hey, let me just
Good,
use
good,
it for
good.
sacks. He's
Okay,
not gonna
There's
die.
a spike inside of us. Can we kill this spike? Kill this spike on the nose?
inside.
I got healed.
Okay, look south. Okay, look south on the black lane here. Come south. They're looking soon. Gardy, they're looking. Walk through. They're looking at me. Gardy, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the play. Good.
Hey,
Spread now.
good kills.
Spread and pop your hood. Defenses. Walk southwest now.
Can we kill this demon? This damnation?
Come southwest. Gardy, look in the middle here. The carving's still marked with the crown.
They're running.
They're running. Okay, Gardy, just walk west. Walk northwest.
Awesome. Holy shit.
Getting northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the heavy mace now. Okay, I should have marked earlier.